ntubwate omusaya utegertere no musaya natebili tasikia omusaya chinde rundo chinchirororo asiki okwerokero omusaya na andakira botebya okwania baligeri
Manjumuri mu Ndizi TV ngo kwa aliganya somurobero wechigo sorry ngoro ko musaya James egento ngoro kero omusaya chiko sorry chitaito muntole uchangamugete kera chingaki oromusaya yona kingoro kero musaya James
Yate bagoko waite murobiro no yae tobe abunyomba eri moti wa tobe te ya nebe timu yo yaite tunjiro yo Manchester United lakini ningogete airende ngiyo tagokera onyo muntu Manchester gakogoka yate bano musai James turabenera guchakira boniga mbako mweri tuna gukwanera amangana mange konde bono mwancho muriri amangana anyara gukorekana amanene mona sorongo rwa Gusii nigo wiki eye ensemo ya Gusii yanyara Gusii omonyangongo bwenkoyo asorongo rwa Gusii omaneka ine buna John Champion Ndibalema negarenge omoro tabane myakeli emekuru nangati yabantu bali bacagete Shabana omete Shabana kale yarenge timu ya abasongo boka ekarukuru saba songo ekajindese ekabe yaba indi boka atirita Shabana nilitali yaba indi oro yaba indi ababa esoborai kati abantu bali barusti Shabana kurwa sobotendi bwa indi gusaba osoli yaba indi kati aba osoli bali aba mwa batane uchesera Shabana amekainde buna John Ndibalema John Champion Ndibalema yonya litegosiri obugima bwa yali tukolia moisonde asenka yansemo ya Nyamataro kawate emyaka etanetie 53 aibure kitaliki 53 omotienyi ogatano na gatatu umwaka o 1940 gwikira bone na bwo kesabu orare emyaka yaye nerenga andake tetora yegwa enkwana korwase efamilia yaye gose yamate yaye igoro gosira kwaye John Ndibalema
kwa majina naitwa John Ndibalema mimi ndo kijana mkubwa John Champion coach tumeshinda naye poa jana. Then tulikuwa tuna watch ball naye by the way before agi. Then akaniambia anasikia kwenda washroom kidogo. Then nikaona na take time. He was a good man, alikuwa mtu anapenda michezo sana. Yeye hakuna kitu kingine mungeongea apart from sport. Anything else amjua ni mtu anapenda watu sana. Napenda watoto sana, hata kuna time aliniambia story about vile alikuwa mwalimu but because alikuwa anaona most kids in Kisii are getting into drugs and other things, aliamua ku resign from teaching career akaanza coaching hiyo Kisii Youth Olympic. Coach Shabana, coach Mumias, coach Sugar, GTI, then akaenda up in Harambee Stars under 19. Then from there akaretire until now, but amekuwa mtu wa ball all along.
John Champion amekuwa pillar. John Champion amekuwa inspiration, amekuwa mentor, amekuwa motivator wa mimi kama sports enthusiast, yani kama mtu ambaye anapenda michezo. Na huyu jamaa amesaidia watu wengi sana. Watu ukiuliza kina Rashid, Kisii Sports Youth Academy ambayo alianzisha 1989, amesaidia maplayers wengi sana. Amecoach paka Michael Court ambaye mtoto wake ni Divock anachezea Liverpool. Naweza kuambia John Champion akona majina mingi majina mingi za players, the best players that have trained and played in Kisii. So we've lost a pillar, we've lost an outstanding dad, we've lost an inspiration.
Abungati ya abasani gosio ya mate na abasani balivale angena John Champion bakorera obwa mate bwaje na nchiranjite chigosori na ngote biguvunda nigale ngo mutete bwe timu ya Arsenal license ya English Premier League ne timu ya Germany asamangana ya timu na anga umuntu rengange sana enkura ya rengange sana ne timu ya Shabana FC andaka yana kyokorera ogosiroko kwa ye John Champion mona sorongoro iturwa Gusia
ritangani pole sana se family mate kero muntu mina siro nandore ngemna breadwinner goso muntu mwali gedune eta ye kenyoro nigo family bone go chia to arama yanda mane korende mate ase kere champion ya silinto bone to korege ntogete yego kora to munyora in fact ye kero golge no nye egetibu na Kisii stadium ngya change turi eta ke kero simene cha stadium
ate kumura bili bone abange bakakana lende ne recording
ne bado ne recording bono into ne abantu na umba bone teno nye kwali no street ya moiga ase town ero kuriteria ya kuona erinde kwinyoro mate binto tarais muntu gochago wikiranie egento buneka ase mangana ye chigosori kero matenga kiri ya kare okurigeria abantu abange banchete maybe bate umuntu tigasome abantu bateba eskuru ni arakeregendo lakini ndi bonsi bakagosora ire ngagatebirwe oyo no muntu omoriri lakini arakamwa ko ira the party yechikosori yasiriro asinga keyo
Anda kese balina ba maite John Champion na moja turikere SMS andake na kimwante komanya na nere andake ibaga kiatigire asenko ya soro ngorwa Gusii na kilikira koru kunyura abantu buna baba bonyanti kama yoro bali abagosori bali abanene kurwa sorongo babuntu batabo Henry Motego baroromba kaboni gantu batabo Sami Ondimu na bange sana bare sorongo rwa Gusii kulinde ntora banyura buya igot emero bele TV kuororo iliranya le kunyura bali abanyanko baito bechi gosori elinde ababale balero bamanyanka itwarure kaitole na nkaitura nyale kwenda andake korwa sense meli ya matento bwate oyo mobonere olenge amonere sana ange sana na John Champion na rote birengere libya igoro ikikera akorekane ilinde komonyora John Champion teto ikurwa nsema ya kabiri studio.
As I have continuously been saying, we need an umbrella, we need something like an academy in Kisii. We don't have these structures that support the grassroots football. We don't have the structures that support the young and talented people in Kisii. Unajua watu wanacheza tu hapa na pale, uwanja ni mbovu, Getembe ni mbaya sana zaidi. You see, we have to go all the way to Nyatieko, we have to go to other places ambazo ni mbali ambazo ziko na uwanja poa. Stadium wenyewe tuko nao hapa lakini it's taking too long for these youngsters to use the facility to upgrade their talents. Unaona? So mimi naweza sema like hebu tuharakishe hii stadium isaidie vijana wamekuwa saizi 10 years, they were 5 years when the stadium was being constructed the first time. So a lot has been missing in this sports arena. Nasema viwanja vitengenezwe. Hatujui pale pesa ya viwanja zingine zilienda za hizi viwanja ndogo Kisii Primary, Nyamira, Getembe. So like we want the government to be accountable. The county government should be accountable. Hizi ni vitu John Champion alikuwa anaongelea all the time when I was talking to him. Anashangaa kwa nini hakuna structures za kusaidia vijana wadogo waendeleze mpira, waendeleze talanta yao. Wapi academies? Mr. Governor alitupromise academy like almost 8 years ago now. Hakuna academy Kisii. Unaona? Hakuna sehemu watoto wanaweza enda waendeleze talanta yao. Mr. Champion amelilia hizi vitu sana na ningependa wakati huu ambao ametuacha sisi tuendelee kukua vocal. The incoming government must know that we have been crying for all these things, we have been saying na complain na tuna state every other time but nothing is being done. Yeah. So we have to honor these great people. How do we honor John Champion? At least tufungue hata kama ni John Champion Sports Complex. Where is the government? This is what we are telling them. Tafadhali angalieni vijana pia, angalieni talent ambazo zinatoka chini. Unaona, tuendelee kusaidia vijana. Wengine hawana kitu ya kufanya kwa life. Sports ama soccer is the only thing that they can run to. Tafadhali tusaidieni hawa vijana, sisi kama enthusiasts, sisi kama gava, unaona, na sisi kama stakeholders wa sports wa Kisii. Tafadhali, that is the only way I feel that we can honor John Champion.
Abongati ya basani ba John Champion bande korwe birengere byabo ikikera akoru kuinyura abanyangongo buna abo ikontorya buna serikali ne wizara y'ekigosori national government sengencho John Champion na renge gati ya aboroki betimu ya Harambee Stars under 17 yemwete ya kombe gya Sekafa Senior Challenge SNC ya Uganda emyaka gati ya 1998 abo igongati ya chihiro chito wata SNC ya Kenya ntoreki emerobeli buneranya rego korekana na emerobeli yoko mwene John Champion negendrete asinka yensemelia nyamataro ntobete ko bwaito korabuna ekikera akoru koinyora abantu bunaba bali banyalire kwene kibuna lira bali ya Gusii gosukalire motu ase amangana yebiyegwa